control fires in Cape Town, which began on Sunday morning and continues to blaze. Students have been evacuated from the University of Cape Town after a rapidly spreading wildfire set some campus buildings alight. Emma McCarthy has more.
South African firefighters are battling to control a blaze which is burning out of control on Table Mountain. The wildfire spread rapidly towards Cape Town overnight due to strong winds. That's prompted emergency workers to start evacuating three 17-storey residential buildings overlooking Cape Town, city officials said. Students have already been emptied out of the University of Cape Town. The university is largely built on the slopes of Devil's Peak, another part of Cape Town's mountainous backdrop, where the fire originated. Several campus buildings were set ablaze, including a library housing historic books and scripts. The fire started early on Sunday near a memorial to Cecil Rhodes. Properties damaged include a popular hikers restaurant and the thatch-roofed Mostert's Mill. Built around 1796, it is South Africa's oldest working mill. City officials confirmed one suspect was detained on Sunday night on Devil's Peak. That's amid speculation that additional fires may have been started and whether the original fire was deliberately lit in an act of arson. Officials said two firefighters had sustained burn wounds and had been hospitalised for treatment.
Kampala is reacting to last week's visa ban slapped on Uganda.